welcome back to Pet Food Forum TV. I'm your host, Kristen Levine, and today I'm joined by Nancy Conley of Nova Chemicals and Dawn MacDonald with Emerson Packaging. Hi ladies, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we're talking about packaging innovation, right? Why don't we start off with you, Nancy, and then you, Dawn. Tell us a little bit about your role at your companies and how it relates to the pet food industry.
Sure. I'm a technical service representative with Nova Chemicals, and we are resin producers primarily. And so coming to something like Pet Food Forum is a little bit out of our normal, zone. Normally, we would be looking at the material properties for our resins and how they perform, but we've added to kind of the role that we do as a technical service person, what we call application development, and that's really looking at how our products perform in a finished package. So that's led to us having, rather than just understanding our material properties, understanding how it performs in packaging, and we've worked with customers like Emerson Packaging on developing new, interesting packaging formats.
Great, and we're going to see one of those in just a minute. How about you, Dawn? Tell us about your role at Emerson.
I'm the Innovation and Research and Development Manager at Emerson Packaging. We make packaging, specifically in the case today we're talking about some pet food packaging that we produce. So I lead a team in the Research and Development Department, and we build specifications for customers. We develop new products. We try to keep up on trends. What's kind of unique and fun about my job is I get to spend a lot of time talking to customers, understanding what their needs are, what they want, where the markets are going, what we need to start working on. And I also spend a lot of time talking to suppliers like Nova Chemicals and understanding what's coming out, what's new, what's innovative, and what we need to learn more about and start incorporating into our products for our customers.
Excellent. So let's just, for a little bit of background, how has packaging evolved over the past decade? We'll start with you, Nancy.
Well, there's been a lot happening. I mean, formulations and structures have become more complex. Over the years, people have looked at, source reduction. So we're, constantly being asked to come up with better products, better performing products so that people can take weight out of packaging or get better performance and lower cost and all of that combined. So there's been a lot of trends. Today we were here to talk about something that's really kind of coming into its own, and that's recyclable structures for sustainability. So that's a new trend.
Anything to add to that?
Yeah, so the films and the structures that we use are more engineered, as Nancy was saying, but also the package styles that we're seeing has become more complicated. So what was traditionally just a pillow package, just a simple square package, has now become pre-made packages with a lot of panels for graphics display. So they've become very beautiful. The graphics have become more complicated. It looks like a photo on the front of the package. There's many features. There's different types of closures. There's different types of fitments. So there's a lot of choice that 10 years ago wasn't available. So we're seeing it evolve very quickly.
Let's see an example.
Okay.
I know you brought one. I'm so glad you brought one. Okay, so talk about what's special and unique about this package.
Yeah. So this package has gussets on the sides, the bottom, and the other side. So what's attractive for pet food manufacturers is you have all of these panels to display your graphics, the message to your customers, the ingredients panels. Previously, the packaging would have a lot less area. They would have to be bigger for the same amount of content, so we're filling it out that way. It's standing on the shelf, and it's a highly engineered package. What's specifically exciting about this sample is it's recyclable. So it's made from linear low density polyethylene. So it's recyclable. It doesn't have to go to landfill. It replaces what was traditionally a combination of two polymers, polyester and polyethylene. We've removed the polyester, so this can be recycled. So now, we're very excited.
Is this a project that you worked on together?
Yes,
absolutely.
Okay. So from our end, we've done, from the material side, we've got our packaging engineers that have really worked hard to come up with a way that we can take a single material and replace what was a multi-material package.
Interesting.
And that leads to recyclability, which is what people are looking for.
Well, thank you so much, ladies, for joining us today. Appreciate it very much.
Thank you.
And we've been talking with Nancy Conley from Nova Chemicals and Dawn MacDonald from Emerson Packaging. We'll be back with more on Pet Food Forum TV.